Back to my YouTube channel. We're still under Fluid Mechanics and 6. I've given question 2. We have 2.1 says when a channel are designed specially, attention should be given to amount of material to be used as well as its purpose. A nature reserve a need a special trapezoidal channel which can deliver a maximum 200 meters per second of water during the rainy season. So I've given the Q, that is Q, the rate of flow. Here it's our structure that we've given that. They say prove with the height of the scratch that we have given the above that M there is equal to D over 2 with 60. There with 60, 2 over 2, guys. D over 2 is the same as 0.5D. We have to prove M, that is 0.5D. Okay, with 60 degrees side slope from the horizontal will prevent animal from being trapped in the channel. Then you have note for this trapezoidal section, the best hydraulic section has to be that we've given X. The check X is equal to this. They've just told me, said note, this X is equals to that is where we're supposed to start. They've given us the hint, isn't it? So that is what they've given us, the hint there, by the way. And then X is tan, guys. What is that X? The X there, you must know the structure by head. So I think now you know the structure by head. So far this is simply what is the same. X there will be B over tan theta. You're supposed to know that, guys. Supposed to know this. So far nevertheless, so let us go into our things then. So they said this should be equals to that. The hint X should be equals to B over 2. That is the hint, but X is equals to this. We know that X will be equals to B over what? Tan theta is equals to B over 2. All right. This is what you're supposed to have. Or let me write it around. But it's the same. It's one in the same thing. We know that is the first step that we do, guys. B over 2 is equal to B over tan theta. I've explained this. Guys. So we have then you multiply that side, you'll have B. We'll have B. That is why this is not B, guys. So is D over tan. You see, that must be D, guys. Is D. I don't know why I'm doing this. Is D. Sorry about that. Is D over tan. Yes, you know. So we have 2. You can multiply that side. You'll have this to become 2D over tan theta. So actually this is the equation you're supposed to know. You can cram it if you want to cram it, but I don't expect do not cram it. So our B will be equal to that 2. All right. We don't know D. Tan, they say it is 60, the angle is 60. So you simply punch this on your calculator, right? If you punch that, our B will be equals to what? 1,154. Obviously D, there's nothing you can do. We leave this. It's simply just our equation 1. Simply leave this. You can call it equation 1 or just leave it like that. Then we go to area now. After that second step, always calculate your area. the area is depth. Here is this formula, is depth multiplied by B into B plus D over tan theta. You know this. If you can know this equation, guys, if you can know, if you are dealing with 60, guys, if we have a 60 degrees from 49 up to 60 degrees, from 49 up to 60 degrees, if you've given this angle, guys, if you have a structure like that, you've given this angle from 49 up to that, you must know that you must use this formula, and then you must check, guys. There is no something, if you've given if you read your statement and you hear the words that says, you're supposed to check there's something that there is the keyword that's supposed to note. If they say smooth stones, what you can say, if you hear the words that says smooth stones, please do not use these formulas, guys. It's another typical question. Smooth side. Well, okay, if you can see smooth side, smooth stone, do not use this. But as long as you are not given smooth, we are using this. Go watch my videos, you will see. Go there back. I have explained all of this in details. So we have A. Then what is our depth? We don't know. B. We can substitute here. Here it's our B. There will be 1.154 D. Now here we have plus D over tan 60. All right. We have our D, 1.154 D plus. Now remember, this is the same as 1 over 60, like this. Press 1 tan 60. Press that, then this will be equals to what? If you punch that, you will get something like punch that thing there, will have 0.577 watt D. So as you can see, guys, these are like terms you add there. Just add that, you'll have D. You're multiplying there, you add. If you are adding, you'll have this to be 1.732 D. Now we have D, and D you multiply will be D squared. So our area will be 1.732 D squared. This is what we have. As you are done with that, you go to your parameter. That is that step. Parameter is B. We must know this is B. I've explained this. 2 depth over, now it will be sine theta. So this is our parameter. Take a note, this one we know there from the top. We have said that we know that it's 1.154 watt D. That is our B plus 2D over sine 60 degrees. Punch this now on your calculator. You will get this to be equals to 1.154 D plus punching that, pressing that, this will be 2.309, obviously D, like that. All right, so since now we have our, it is D and D, these are like terms, simply just add this. We add this, will be what our perimeter will be 3.404 D, right? So in terms of D, still in terms of D, now we have the perimeter, we also have the area. We have calculated these two. Now we know they said we should prove the mean depth. They said we should prove that M is equals to 0.5 watt D, like that. Yeah, from here prove that is equals to MD D over 2. Guys, D over 2 the same as 1 over 5. this thing is the same as d over 2. Remember, just punch that. If you do like that, 1 over that is 0.5. So this is the one and the same thing. So from that, we want to prove that we know that m is equals to what, guys? Area multiple divide by weighted perimeter. Anyways, this is not simply just a is not the perimeter that we know, guys, the exact perimeter. This is simply just a weighted ish. Let me indicate this is a weighted perimeter. Weighted perimeter is not necessarily a perimeter, it's a weighted perimeter. Weighted perimeter. I've explained this on my go. Check on my disk, check on my, just punch there and check that trapezoid, or on trapezoid, right? Then 60 degrees slope or incline. There, Mr. There you'll check, or go scroll down on my videos. You'll see there when I've explaining. I wrote this on the board. You'll understand this. I went there, and then I just go there. Everything is in details. I've explained everything there. So we have our area, guys. We've calculated the area, isn't it? There is the area here. We have this area here. We have that area there. See, 1,732 squared. We have this area. All right. Divide this by what? By weighted perimeter. Weighted perimeter, here it is. We just calculated now is 3,404D. All right. Now it's maths. Take this, punch this on your calculator nicely. If you punch that, then check here. We have a okay. Let me just take this step by step. But guys, I hopeful. Oh, N6 level, you know maths. I don't need to worry. This is the same as 1,732 D multiplied by D. I'm just separating that. Divide by 3,404 D. I was not supposed to do this, guys. It's a N6 level, you know maths. Divide that. So as you can see, those will fade away. Simply have to punch this now on your calculator. So that's that exactly. That thing will give you, if you punch that alone, will give you 0,5. Will be 0,5 what D. So guys, this is the same as D over 2. I've explained. If you have something like this is the same as 1 over 2 multiplied by D. 1 over 2 is 0.5. Then we have D. So it's one and the same thing. Now you can say D over 2. So you've proven, understood. So this is how it go about. So this is what we have in this typical video. So thank you for watching. May you kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not subscribed, and click the notification button so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. All the best. Share this to your fellow classmate.